Imagine walking into your home and feeling like the space itself is aware of you, not in a creepy sci-fi way, but in that calm, seamless Apple way where everything just works without you thinking about it. For the past 5 years, the HomePod Mini has quietly held its place as the most polished, compact smart speaker on the market, delivering surprisingly rich sound and tight integration with the Apple ecosystem. But time waits for no device, and while the rest of the tech world has sprinted ahead into faster AI, smarter connectivity, and more responsive assistants, the original HomePod Mini has been stuck running hardware that dates all the way back to 2019. It still sounds good, it still looks good, but under the hood, it has been falling behind in ways that power users and smart home enthusiasts have definitely started to feel. That is exactly why the HomePod Mini 2 is shaping up to be one of the most important smart home releases Apple has planned in years. This is not just about a slightly faster chip or a new color option. According to supply chain leaks, internal code references, and performance benchmarks quietly surfacing in beta software, Apple is preparing a complete rethink of what a compact smart speaker should do. The HomePod Mini 2 is being designed not just as a speaker, but as an intelligent, always-on control center for the modern home, capable of processing audio, understanding commands, and managing smart devices faster and more privately than ever before. At the core of this transformation is the Silicon. The original HomePod Mini relies on the S5 chip, originally designed for the Apple Watch Series 5. While that chip was efficient and capable for its time, in today's landscape it is severely outclassed. Leaks strongly suggest that Apple is jumping several generations ahead, potentially straight to an S10 or even S11 class processor. That kind of leap is massive, especially in a device this small. It means dramatically more processing power, improved efficiency, and far more advanced machine learning capabilities packed into the same compact form factor. This upgrade fundamentally changes how the HomePod Mini 2 handles sound. With the newer chip, computational audio becomes far more sophisticated. The speaker will be able to analyze its environment hundreds of times per second, constantly adjusting equalization, spatial characteristics, and volume balance based on the room it is in. Whether you place it on a bookshelf, a kitchen counter, or a bedside table, the sound profile adapts instantly. Bass becomes deeper without distortion, mids remain warm and full, and vocals stay clear even at lower volumes. This is not just louder sound, it is smarter sound, and it is one of the biggest reasons the Mini 2 is expected to punch far above its size. Siri is another area where this new silicon makes a night and day difference. For years, one of the most common frustrations with Siri on HomePod has been response time. Ask a simple question or issue a command, and you often see that familiar glowing light as the request travels to the cloud, gets processed, and finally comes back with an answer. With the S10 class chip and a significantly upgraded neural engine, most of this processing is expected to happen directly on the device. That means near-instant responses when you ask Siri to turn off the lights, set a timer, or play a specific song. It also means improved privacy, since your voice commands no longer need to leave your home for basic tasks. In practical, everyday use, this could make Siri feel less like a voice assistant and more like a natural extension of your home. Connectivity is another major pillar of the HomePod Mini 2 upgrade, and this is where features once reserved for Apple's pro-level devices are expected to trickle down. Leaks point toward the inclusion of Apple's newer N1 wireless chip, bringing Wi-Fi 6E support to the Mini lineup for the first time. For households packed with smart devices, phones, tablets, TVs, and laptops all competing for bandwidth, this is a huge deal. Wi-Fi 6E opens up the 6 GHz band, providing a cleaner, faster lane for high-resolution audio streaming and real-time smart home communication. The result is fewer dropouts, faster responses, and a much more stable experience, even in busy network environments. On top of that, the upgraded ultra-wideband U2 chip is expected to refine one of Apple's most magical features, handoff. Moving music from your iPhone to the HomePod Mini 2 should feel almost invisible. Just bring your phone close, and the audio seamlessly transfers without lag or missed beats. With improved precision, the system will better understand which speaker you intend to use, even if you have multiple HomePods in different rooms. This kind of frictionless interaction is classic Apple, and it is exactly what makes their ecosystem so compelling once everything clicks together. One of the biggest criticisms of the original HomePod Mini was the absence of true room sensing, a feature that helped the larger HomePod deliver such impressive sound. Rumors now suggest that Apple has found a way to miniaturize this technology without compromising effectiveness. The HomePod Mini 2 is expected to use a new system of acoustic sensing that works in tandem with its microphones to understand reflections, wall distance, and room shape. This allows the speaker to project sound in a way that feels expansive and immersive, creating a surprisingly wide soundstage from such a small device. For users who love a clean, minimalist setup but still crave powerful audio, this is a game changer. Pairing two HomePod Mini 2 units in a stereo configuration could rival soundbars that cost several times more. Movies gain depth, dialogue becomes clearer, and music feels more alive, all without cluttering your living space with bulky hardware. It is the kind of experience that makes you forget you are listening to a mini speaker at all. From a design perspective, Apple appears to be refining rather than reinventing. The familiar mesh fabric remains, but subtle improvements are expected throughout. The touch surface on top is rumored to be more responsive, with a brighter and more expressive LED waveform that spreads further across the glass. Siri interactions will look more dynamic and futuristic, reinforcing the idea that this is a more powerful, more capable device. New color options are also expected, including a deeper midnight shade with blue undertones and a darker take on product red, giving users more ways to match the speaker with their personal style and home decor. Perhaps the most exciting and least discussed aspect of the HomePod Mini 2 is its role in Apple's broader smart home strategy. Apple is reportedly developing a dedicated home OS designed specifically to unify and manage home devices. The HomePod Mini 2 is being positioned as the primary node for this system, acting as a powerful thread border router that connects and controls Matter-enabled lights, locks, sensors, and cameras. This means faster communication between devices, improved reliability, and fewer smart home headaches overall. In practical terms, this turns the HomePod Mini 2 into the brain of your home. Automations become more reliable, accessories respond faster, and everything feels more cohesive. Instead of juggling multiple hubs and apps, the HomePod quietly handles the heavy lifting in the background. For anyone who has struggled with inconsistent smart home performance, this alone could be reason enough to upgrade. As for timing, all signs point to a launch in the first half of 2026. Retailers appear to be clearing out existing HomePod Mini stock, a classic indicator that a replacement is on the horizon. Apple's supply chain activity also suggests that production is ramping up, aligning perfectly with a spring or early summer announcement. When it comes to pricing, Apple is expected to stay aggressive. Keeping the price at around $99 allows the HomePod Mini 2 to dominate its segment, offering premium audio, cutting-edge connectivity, and advanced AI features at a price point that undercuts much of the competition. Getting this level of performance and intelligence for under $100 is almost unheard of in today's market, and it explains why many analysts expect the HomePod Mini 2 to become one of Apple's best-selling accessories. It appeals not only to existing Apple users looking to upgrade, but also to newcomers who want a simple, powerful entry point into the Apple smart home ecosystem. When you step back and look at the full picture, the HomePod Mini 2 feels like the device the original Mini always wanted to be. The jump from the S5 to an S10 class chip, the addition of Wi-Fi 6E, the refined computational audio, and the deeper integration with Apple's smart home vision all come together to create something genuinely compelling. This is not just a speaker upgrade. It is a statement about where Apple believes the smart home is headed. For anyone serious about building a fast, private, and great-sounding smart home, the HomePod Mini 2 is shaping up to be a mandatory upgrade. It promises an experience that is smoother, smarter, and more immersive, all wrapped in a familiar design that fits effortlessly into any room. If Apple delivers on even most of what these leaks suggest, the HomePod Mini 2 will not just meet expectations. It will redefine what people expect from a compact smart speaker in the first place.